Bosley Locks won't be open until the 20th of June, so attempt 3 to get to Liverpool. We're going down the Marple flight again, along the Lower Peak Forest, Ashton, Rochdale, Bridgewater canals and back onto the Leeds Liverpool, where we were back in January. So we're going to travel as far as we can for a few days on the trot to get back as quick as we can, because we've done all this stretch of canal before. I say we're going to do it as quick as we can. We only move at 2 to 3 miles per hour, so it will take us a few days. See you there.
Okay?
Yep, all good.
This time on the Marple flight, we had the help of volunteer lock keepers, so the descent was relaxing and enjoyable. Got off the boat for a bit to help out and give Colin the chance to stretch his legs. This was the 6th time we'd been over the Marple Aqueduct, but it was a quiet afternoon, so we had fun with the drone whilst we had the canal to ourselves. We did have a very near miss when a Canada goose flew straight towards the drone and they just avoided each other at the last second. Such a shame it wasn't recording at the time. Goslings. We've seen loads of nesting geese. There's our first actual set of goslings. Oh, they're beautiful. After staying the night at Droylsden, day 2 was off down the Ashton 18. We managed to choose the hottest 2 days of the year so far to do the hardest locks. This is one of the easier ones, actually.
Well, we wouldn't want it to look like you were working, would we?
4 locks from the end. We've had to stop to pull rubbish out of the prop. Oh God, it's gross. Slightly less glamorous side of boating. Very hot, very sweaty, very dirty. We had to spend the night between locks 1 and 2 at the bottom, as Piccadilly Basin had very low water levels and we had to wait overnight for the pound to fill up. Day 3, going through Manchester city centre on the Rochdale line. Another very hot day. The first few locks are under the city and to be honest they're not pleasant. The lock gates are large and heavy and the mechanisms are stiff or broken. Badger also took a bit of a bang on the way down and required some TLC. Day 4, Manchester city centre, Castlefield Basin to Boothtown. No locks today. Found a really comfortable spot for his hairs. Nice to be back on the Bridgewater again, out of the city centre. It was a gorgeous evening, so out came Richard's table and we treated ourselves to a barbecue. Day 5, dog walked, breakfast done, cake baked, off to Wigan. Coffee and homemade Barrabrith. Loads of these. Looking a bit different to when we came here in January. And hello Wigan again. Last look of the day. So this is something you don't get in a house. We woke up this morning and the boat seemed to be making a lot of noises and creaks and cracks and what have you. And all our gauges started going haywire for water, fuel, waste tank and everything. Got out of bed, nearly fell over as we were on a proper lean, so we've had to let the boat out from the side, which took a bit of effort, so we're quite away from the side now. And the water level had dropped a good foot. It's now going up again because somebody's opened the paddles a bit further up the canal. And the CRT are bringing a crew out to have a look as well, but it appears somebody left some paddles open further down the canal and all the water drained out.
Day 6 was a day off. I went back and collected the car, which took all afternoon as Sunday trains were a bit hit and miss, so we treated ourselves to a pub meal in the evening. Day 7, we said goodbye to Wigan again and the life-sized cardboard cutout of Sir David Attenborough, who'd been looking out at us on each of our stays here.
So this is where we moored up back in January. This is the furthest we went along the Leeds-Liverpool Canal, so now we're heading further towards Liverpool. Coming up to the first swing bridge, or I think it's 2 today.
Day 8 was an easy hour-and-a-half journey to Burscough, where we stopped then for a few days. So in 8 days we travelled 48 miles, went through 51 locks, did 4 swing bridges and 2 lift bridges, and I did 108,777 steps.